So today we were analyzing different pieces of history, such as scriptures, pottery, and coins, trying to find if they dated back to the time of St. Paul, which was early in the 1st century.
They're archaeologists for a day, if I could put it that way, and they're doing the part of archaeology that happens in the lab. They are analyzing ancient Roman artifacts in an effort to authenticate indirectly a very interesting find. What appears to be an ancient manuscript scroll, a copy of a letter to the Hebrews, with attribution of authorship to St. Paul the Apostle.
In the 4 stations, students held pottery shards and examined them, trying to figure out what their date is. And in our last station, students interacted with an AI archaeological bot. They uploaded images of pottery shards and asked it questions to help them figure out when they were dated. The stations are intentionally hands-on. Students need to weigh evidence, come to conclusions, make connections, and defend their interpretations.
It was a lot of fun because we were blessed to have a bunch of different tools to analyze these objects with.
The station with the coins, we measured the density of the coins in water, and then we measured how much they weigh, and that would help us better figure out what metal they're made out of.
The boys are drawing on all of the skills that they have learned across disciplines in their 3 years here at Fairfield Prep and applying them to a problem that is at once scientific, historiological, and historiographical, a problem of biblical scholarship, and a problem of theology. Real interdisciplinary work happening in real time.
By blending theology, archaeology, and science, we're creating a learning environment where students act like scientists, historians, theologians, really helping them think deeper about what they are learning and making cross-disciplinary connections.